Hello students, today we are going to learn about distance and displacement. So first of all you should know the basic difference between distance and displacement. So before this I am going to introduce a quantity named scalar and vector. Okay, this is your home sweet home, and this is your school. You are going from home to school by using this path. Let this is A, this is B. As you are going to travel this path, okay, the actual path you had traveled to reach from point A to point B is known as distance. We are going to measure this path and this will give you distance, and the quantity which have only magnitude. Magnitude means the path length of the path. Let like 5 meter. This is 5 is the magnitude. Okay, this is going to be a scalar quantity because we don't define the direction where we have to go. Let you stand here and I say you have to go 5 meter. Where? You don't know. You may go here, anywhere, but you don't have very less chance. You have very less chance you will reach to B. Okay, this type of quantity is known as scalar quantity. Let's join the point A to point B. Okay, this way, and this is the shortest distance between point A and point B, right? If you stand here, this is going to your left hand, this will be your right hand. Let this distance is 2 meter. Let this distance is 2 meter. Direct this one. So I can easily say you have to go 2 meter to your left hand. Here you got magnitude as well as direction. Okay, and in distance you only got magnitude. So distance is going to be a scalar quantity, and the quantity which have magnitude as well as direction is known as vector quantities. So your displacement is going to be a vector quantity. I hope you got it. Okay, let's go and write the definition of distance and displacement. Distance, the actual path which you or we travel is called distance. It is an scalar quantity. After that, displacement, the shortest distance between two points. Okay, it is an vector quantity. I hope you got it. Thanks for watching the video.